Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best baby shower decoration is probably one of the most exciting parts of planning a baby shower. It sets the tone and creates a warm, inviting environment for your guests. From choosing the right color schemes to selecting the perfect balloons and banners, the decorations can transform any space into a celebration of new life and create lasting memories. Number 5. EpiqueOne 20-piece Poms. Want to elevate your party decor? These adorable puff balls are ideal for events like bridal showers and birthdays. They add a touch of elegance to any celebration, creating a lively and memorable backdrop. Enjoy the charm of these pom balls. They feature a beautiful color palette of blush pink, dusty rose, mauve, and cream. Each color comes in varying sizes, allowing for a stunning and varied display at your event. Decorating with these puff balls is easy. Simply tie a string in the middle and unfold them by gently peeling away each tissue paper layer. With delicate strokes, fluff them into a rounded shape. These festive pom-poms are simple to set up. Hanging them around your venue effortlessly elevates the ambience. Their vibrant colors and soft textures complete the vibe, making your party aesthetically pleasing. These charming pom-poms offer excellent value. They're easy to set up and reusable. Store them away after use and transform future occasions with minimal effort, providing maximum joy. What we like? This pom-pom set offers a beautiful array of colors, perfect for creating a lively atmosphere. It's also super easy to set up and reusable, making it a budget-friendly choice for multiple events. If you're looking for a simple yet impactful way to decorate, this is a great option. It will bring joy to your party. What people say? Easy to use, fun putting it together, and so pretty. Very easy to do, and they looked amazing all together. The end product was cute and added a nice touch. Number 4. Voircoloria Baby Shower Balloon Boxes. Introducing the Voircoloria Baby Shower Boxes. This set includes 4 transparent boxes, perfect for any baby shower or gender reveal. These boxes are a fantastic way to add a special touch to your celebration. Made from recyclable paper and clear plastics, this product is both safe and reusable. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the durable materials ensure it can be used for multiple events. These boxes are versatile and suitable for various occasions. Whether it's a baby shower, gender reveal, or birthday party, they will enhance the decor. It's a great choice for boys or girls' parties. Assembly is quick and simple. Just fold the box, attach the letters with the adhesive dots, and add balloons. You can set it up in just 5 minutes, making party preparations a breeze. For the best look, we recommend using 4 to 5 10-inch balloons or 8 to 10 5-inch balloons. If you have any issues with your order, please contact us. We're here to help with replacements or refunds. What we like? These clear boxes are perfect for creating a personalized baby shower display. They're easy to assemble and made from reusable materials, making them a practical choice. If you're planning a gender reveal or want to add a custom touch to your decorations, it's a fantastic choice. It will make your party easier. What people say? Boxes arrived quick, were easy to assemble and super cute once all put together with balloons inside. Easy to put together while quickly decorating for a baby shower. The letters stick well and still haven't fallen off. It's September 7th and they have been on since June 29th without moving. They looked great at the entrance of the shower and can hold multiple sized balloons. Nice and white as advertised. Benitas cages para decoration y sobre todo fácil de armar y de calidad, me gustaron muchísimo. Number 3. Sage Green Baby Shower Decorations Kit. Planning a baby shower? This mega bundle has everything you need. It includes a variety of decorations, making it easy to create a memorable event for the parents-to-be. This kit is packed with value, offering 263 pieces. You'll find everything from balloon arches to backdrop banners, all designed to make your dream baby shower a reality. Each item is designed with love and care. From the "Oh Baby" sign to the sage green balloon garland, these adorable decorations will add style and wonder to any baby shower. The decorations are made with high-quality materials. The baby blocks are made with strong cardstock, and the backdrop is made of durable polyester fabric, ensuring they stand out. The balloon arch comes with step-by-step instructions. It includes balloons, eucalyptus leaves, and tools, making the setup process simple and stress-free. Forget about helium. These balloons only need air. Just inflate them, assemble the garland, hang the backdrop, and add confetti for a stunning celebration. What we like. This mega bundle provides everything you need for a stunning baby shower, with unique designs and high-quality materials. The easy-to-assemble kit saves you time and effort. If you're a busy parent-to-be looking for a complete and stylish decorating solution, consider this. It will make your party stand out. What people say. The 268-piece woodland baby shower decorations kit was a fantastic choice for our grandson's baby shower. The woodland theme is charming and versatile, making it suitable for both boys and girls. The decorations included a variety of cute animals and natural elements that created a warm and inviting atmosphere. Number 2. Kate Aspen Onesie Baby Shower Advice Cards. These adorable cards are shaped like a cute onesie. They are crafted from high-quality faux craft paper cardstock. It adds a playful touch to any baby shower. Guests can predict key details about the baby, such as the arrival date and weight. There is also a section for guests to share advice for the new parents. These cards will be cherished for years to come. These cards are a wonderful keepsake for the parents-to-be. They are made from thick cardstock designed to last. You can store them in a scrapbook or frame them. Everyone enjoys sharing their wisdom and offering advice. This turns into a light-hearted game, giving guests a fun way to participate. It brings laughter, love, and excitement to the celebration. The set includes 50 cards, perfect for any size baby shower. It ensures there are enough for all your guests to participate. It provides a thoughtful and engaging experience for everyone. Each card measures 5.25 inches wide by 6 inches high. It offers plenty of space for guests to write their predictions and advice. The cards are made from premium, durable cardstock. What we like. These advice cards are a fun and interactive way for guests to share their wisdom and predictions. They also serve as a wonderful keepsake for the parents-to-be. If you want to add a sentimental and engaging activity to your baby shower, you should choose this. It will be a cherished keepsake. What people say. The design fit beautifully into our boho theme. The cards were thick and durable. Super cute and a great way to keep hold of the well wishes from the shower. It comes with 2 hard cardboard plates to protect the cards. Great keepsake. The quality of the cards and jar exceeded my expectations. The cardstock is thick and easy to write on, and the jar is so cute. Number 1. AOBKIAT Wedding Party Decorations Crepe Paper Streamers. These crepe paper streamers come in a beautiful palette of natural colors. They include olive green, grass green, khaki, white, and gold. You can mix and match them for a stunning visual effect. The set includes 5 rolls of streamers, each 1.8 inches wide and 82 feet long. This provides plenty of material to meet all of your decoration needs. It's a great value for your party. This crepe paper is incredibly versatile and easy to use. You can hang it from the ceiling, twist it into spirals, or use it as a background. The possibilities are endless with this product. These streamers are perfect for a variety of events. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, or baby shower, they will add a festive touch. It's a great way to celebrate any special occasion. To ensure the best results, handle the crepe paper gently. Avoid pulling it with force. With proper care, it will be the perfect decoration for your party. What we like. These crepe paper streamers offer a natural color palette and are incredibly easy to use for creating a festive atmosphere. The set provides great value, with enough streamers to meet your decorative needs. If you like to add a touch of elegance to your party, you should consider this. It will be perfect for your party decorations. What people say. Loved how it comes with multiple rolls with various colors of the theme. Easy to tape up. We used these for my gender reveal party, and I loved them. Reached from side to side and was long enough to do in multiple spots. Good quality ribbons that didn't tear apart while hanging and twisting them. True to color. Great size. These streamers were perfect for our party setup. The color palette, green, beige, white, gold, looked so elegant and modern, great for weddings, baby showers, or any classy event. The paper quality was strong enough to hold up during decorating, and the rolls came with plenty of length. Super easy to hang and style in different ways. They added just the right touch of charm and made our event space feel extra special. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.